Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to generate a baby face from your pictures in Capcut. So now let's begin. Right now, I've already opened up my Capcut app on my mobile device, so I'm simply gonna click on this new project button to create a new project. Let's click on it. Now I'm gonna select this photo right here and click on Add. Now I have the video on the timeline. You can extend the video if you wish. Now let's click on the video, and on the bottom corner you will find something like styles. It's like a cube. Let's click on it. What we need to do now is go to the portrait section, and if we scroll in this portrait section, we will find something like baby face. Right here we have found the baby face. Let's click on it. It's being applied, and there you have it, guys. That's how you do a baby face in Capcut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.